In this video, I'll show you how to enable the public post option in Facebook. It's a very simple trick, so make sure you give this video a like, subscribe if you're new, and also make sure you comment down below if you have any questions whatsoever. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do after you go on the Facebook app is to click the three dashes at the bottom right corner. On Android, it might be at the top. You click on them and you want to go down until you see settings and privacy. You want to click on it and click on settings. There you find a bunch of settings, personal information, all that jazz, but you want to go down to privacy and there you have the option public post. So here you can manage a lot of stuff like who can follow you, who can comment on your public posts. You can set it to public, friends, custom, only me, and so on. But if you don't have this option, what you gotta do is go on your about page by just going on your profile and changing your birth date to be 18 years or older. If you're not 18, people can't comment on your public post. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a like. See you next video. Bye.